Transform your body in just 4 weeks with these 5 simple exercises. Being fit is no easy task. It takes determination, motivation, willpower, and resilience. One of the hardest parts of living a healthy lifestyle is taking that first step and getting started. Once you cross that hurdle, you've accomplished something that most people don't have the willpower or determination to do. And once you start, the results follow. When you begin seeing changes, it becomes nearly impossible to quit. Before we dive into the exercises that can transform your body, remember to subscribe for more health tips and fitness routines. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's explore how you can transform your body in just 4 weeks with these 5 simple exercises. 1. The plank. The plank is one of the most effective core exercises. It strengthens your abdominal area, shoulders, and back, while improving your posture. A strong core is essential for reducing back pain and enhancing balance. Plus, planks help you develop your abs and improve your overall performance. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle and rest your weight on your forearms. Ensure your body is in a straight line, engaging your core. For beginners, hold this position for 30 seconds and gradually increase as you progress. 2. The push-up. Push-ups are a classic full-body workout that strengthens your forearms, chest, shoulders, back, abs, and legs. This compound exercise targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Plus, you can do it anywhere, from home to outdoors, with no need for fancy equipment. To perform a push-up, place your hands on the floor beneath your shoulders, tighten your core, and maintain a straight body. Lower yourself to the ground and push yourself back up, ensuring your body remains aligned. 3. The squat. Squats are one of the most essential exercises for strengthening your legs, core, hips, and back. They stimulate muscle growth, improve posture, and increase balance. To perform a squat, stand with feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees, and push your butt back like sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your chest up and back slightly arched. Once your thighs are parallel to the floor, push through your heels to return to standing. Start with bodyweight squats, then progress to adding weights as you become more comfortable with the movement. 4. The bird dog. The bird dog is an excellent exercise for building core strength and improving your balance. It targets your erector spinae muscle, gluteus maximus, and upper back. Start on all fours, ensuring your wrists are aligned beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. Slowly extend your left leg and right arm, keeping them parallel to the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then lower and repeat on the opposite side. This movement improves your stability and works key muscles for a strong core and lower back. 5. The glute bridge. The glute bridge is perfect for targeting your glutes, core, and hips, all while preventing lower back pain. Ideal for anyone with a sedentary lifestyle, this exercise improves your hip mobility and strengthens your lower back. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your hips off the ground, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes and core, hold, then lower your hips. For added difficulty, you can try advanced variations that involve lifting one leg. Why consistency matters. A fit and healthy body doesn't happen overnight. It takes months, sometimes years, of consistent effort. The key is to stay patient and dedicated. Stick with these exercises for just 4 weeks, and you'll start to see improvement in your strength and physique. Once you master these moves, you'll be ready for more advanced workouts to further your fitness journey. In addition to a workout routine, a healthy diet is essential. As the saying goes, abs are made in the kitchen. Make sure your diet is aligned with your fitness goals to see the best results. Always consult with a healthcare professional or personal trainer before starting any new exercise routine to ensure you're practicing proper form and avoiding injury. Final thoughts. Starting a fitness routine is challenging, but once you take that first step, the journey becomes rewarding. Whether it's holding a plank, perfecting your push-up, or mastering the squat, each move will bring you closer to your goals. And remember, consistency is key. With time, effort, and the right mindset, you'll achieve the body transformation you've been working toward. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.